Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2010 Ford F450 we have for sale. It's a 6.4 power stroke diesel, two-wheel drive. This truck has 265,000 miles on it. However, the engine was replaced, I think, around 80,000 miles ago with a Ford reman unit. And runs out and drives great. This is Atlanta, Georgia truck, so it's rust-free. It's got an FEC tire bed on it. It's got a massive air compressor, 2,000-pound liftgate. Really nice truck. Walk around and show it to you. It's got a brand new set of tires we just put on it. Two air hose reels. It's got another port here for an air hose. Two storage compartments on both sides. One thing I do want to point out while I'm here, these things are missing the rubbers that go around and hold them in place on both sides. I had those ordered. I'm not sure if they'll be here by the time this truck sells. If they're not, I will forward them to you. But those are missing on both sides. This is a PTO powered air pump. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and kick everything on here. One of the air hoses on the end of it's leaking over there. That's where that air is coming from. That will be fixed. Should have been fixed. The thing does pump serious wind. Liftgate. It is a 2,000-pound gate. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. This truck's in really nice shape. Southern truck, new tires, runs out and drives great. PTO powered air compressor, 2,000 pound gate. If you're looking for one of these trucks like this, or been looking at them, they don't come up for sale too often. I think we've had probably 5 or 6 of them in the, I don't know if we've had that many of them in the 6 or 7, 8 years I've been doing this. So I said they don't come up for sale too often. If you want to have this truck shipped, you're going to be looking somewhere probably around $1.50 a mile, maybe a little less. Depends on where you're located. If you come here and want to drive out, you got to be here Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. We don't work Saturday. We don't work Sunday. It's only Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. I would recommend being here around 4:30 at the latest. That way we can get your paperwork done and get you out before 5. We only accept cashier's check, cash, or wire transfer. We don't accept a business check or a personal check on your name or your business. Has to be certified funds. If you can write a check, you can go to your bank and get a cashier's check. You can pull right up to the window, or you can do a wire transfer. If you decide to come here and you want to look at the truck first before you do the wire transfer, we ask you, I have a very small office, so go ahead and have all that ready, lined up, ready to do. That way you're not sitting here for 8 or 10 hours all day long. So we can get that done, get you headed out. With the COVID going on right now, I'm just trying to be as safe as possible. But I guess that's about it. If you're interested in this thing, give us a call. We'll make a deal on it. It's a pretty cool truck. Thanks for watching.